Alright, this is a Mazda. Came back for a little fender bender. Hitting this corner right here. Now it's got some bunch of funny lights in the on the dashboard. So I'm going to show you a video of some of the stuff that I found so far. Show it to you right now. These are the lights that are on the dash. As you can tell, traction control, tire light, ABS light. Go over here, it's a brake light. Alright, so the brake light, the ABS light, and the traction control, that can go together. I get it. Low tire pressure, that could be because car's been sitting and there's low pressure. But let's check it out. I don't see much. I'll check the air pressure for it. I'll show you the codes that I have. Alright, I'm going to attach it right now. I do see water here. I see water underneath the battery over there. And I do see this hose here. So we could do it this way. Loose as a goose. Okay, look at that. It's not even tight. Could give you an air problem here. Because this is the mass airflow sensor. What else? That was it. I don't see anything else. Battery checks out good. Yeah, this is loosey goose. Loosey goosey, people. Loosey goosey. Look at this. Alright, let's tighten it up. Taking a lot of turns here, buddy. There you go, starting to tighten up now. Finally. Okay. Oh, that was never moved. It's just the air filter was removed. This whole thing here. Maybe some of the harnesses here might have got pinched. It's not secured right here. So it's probably missing a bunch of clips. Hopefully this is not pinched or shorted out. Hopefully this is not pinched and shorted out. Alright. Sometimes you get the brake light, the ABS light, and the traction control because of low brake fluid. Alright, so you see the minimum is down there, the maximum is up here. So it's missing a part of it, but the sensor is down there. So I don't know where the sensor sticks onto or how far it pokes up, but I'm going to put some brake fluid in there and see if that solves that problem. But like I said, I found this clamp here loose. I guess they removed the air box when the car was hit. Other than that, I don't see any pinched wires. But definitely this whole area here was touched. So that's the bad thing about collisions when they do things like that. Why is this black tape? Does this have black tape on it? So they put something over it. The bad ground will give you just the same problems, people. Okay? Any bad grounds will give you a problem. Alright. Let's continue. We're gonna have to go back to the body shop and they're gonna have to check a little further. See what's going on. I just don't like the water that's sitting in there. Maybe they washed the car and something got wet. That's a possibility. Alright. That is a big possibility. Something might have got wet. Fingers crossed. I'm going to put some brake fluid in there. I'm going to clear the codes and we'll see what happens. Nope, all the lights are back on. So it definitely has some kind of a problem. All right, back to the body shop. Yeah, I think that's it. Looks like they scraped the paint off of it. Had a bad ground. That was the problem.